Good morning. Welcome to Captain Kobe's Cajun Cooking. And today we're going to go through the steps of field dressing and preparing the Louisiana Nutria, aka water squirrel. Y'all stay tuned.
Ballons en la paillette, tu fais un gros million. Ballons avec madame, si madame canaille comment, tu fais un gros million.
What's up, everybody? Captain Kobe coming back at you live from the big town of Thibodaux, Louisiana. Right? Got my boy Matt with me here today. We call him Short Dog. Right? Matt Dewey from the big town of Thibodaux, Louisiana. Listen, Matt's the one killed that Nutria the other day. And he called me and said, Kobe, I got a Nutria. Let's make that gumbo. So today, we got a fantastic show lined up for you. It's going to be a smoked Nutria gumbo with smoked turkey necks. I know y'all probably ain't never heard of that, but listen, knock your socks off. Trust me. Stay tuned. We're going to let you know everything you need to know to make a smoked Nutria gumbo. All right. Listen, I wish I could tell everybody this is my recipe. It's not. It's Matt's. Okay? So today I'm going to be the sous chef. I'm going to be helping him out, and he's going to kind of guide us along on everything we need to know and what we need to do to make this gumbo, right? So, Matt, let them know. I see you got some smoked turkey necks right here. Get a shot in right here. Look at that. Matt smoked these early this morning. What time you put these on?
About 6 this morning.
6 this morning. Got them smoked up. I know you smoked that Nutria too.
Yep.
You got about an 8-hour smoke on that?
8 hours smoke on that Nutria.
All right. And I see you got some onions, bell peppers. That's a staple around here. And I see you got some bourgeois sausage. We use different sausages down around Lafayette area, but bourgeois is a pretty good place around here. I know everybody, they make fantastic sausages. I know their boudin is really good. That's around here too. And I see you got something a little different.
Yeah, we got a Louisiana gumbo base. This is all I use right here. My stomach can't tolerate the grease and the roux and all that. And watch
Yeah.
my mom and all cook for years.
Sure.
And once I found this stuff, this is as close as it gets right here.
Okay.
There's some good stuff.
Yeah, that's a little different. Sometimes people have deviated from the way we cook and made things actually better sometimes. So, look, it may not be as traditional as always, but that don't mean it ain't just as good, right? Or even better
right.
sometimes, right?
That's
So how we make this? How you make your base right there? Let everybody
So
know.
what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the bags open. We're gonna put it in a blender with some chicken broth or water, whatever you want to use.
Okay.
We're gonna mix it all up, and we're doing a big pot of gumbo. As you can see, the pot back there, it's a 5-gallon pot. So we're gonna use 4 bags of the gumbo base.
Okay.
And we're gonna mix it in there with just as much as you need to mix it with. You know, how much chicken broth as you want to use.
Okay.
That's about it.
Well, we got a lot of work ahead of us. We got a lot of people coming, and we prepping. We ready. We ready to roll. I'm gonna start cutting. I'm gonna start sous chefing, and
We're gonna start mixing this gumbo base.
all right, let's get it.
Ballons en la paillette, tu fais un gros million. Ballons avec madame, si madame canaille comment.
All right, we still chopping and everything, but I did forget to mention one thing, and I'm glad that when I saw Short Dog take it out right there, we got some tasso. I love tasso. I love tasso my jambalaya. I love tasso and just about everything that I do. So I'm glad you picked that up and brought that up in here because, and that's one of my favorite things that I add to all my gumbo.
Right.
You know.
Right.
Yeah. So, all right. Just wanted to show you that. Let y'all get with it, and We're still chopping. We'll be chopping for a minute, so y'all hang tight.
Sakite tampe canal, sakite tampe canal, on va l'entendre la bailler.
So, short dog, let me ask you a question. You fry your sausage? You brown it before you do all
brown it
that?
down.
Okay.
Yeah, brown all the
I just want to make
sausage
sure I usually brown mine before we get all that in there. You cook down your onions and bell peppers and all that too. Okay,
Right.
good. Well, we cook a lot of the same.
Yeah.
All right, I like it.
While Kobe's cutting them onions right there, we're gonna go ahead and brown up this sausage. I got tasso in here, andouille, two other kind of smoked sausage, bourgeois smoked sausage. So we're gonna brown it up.
Let them know what you're doing right there, Matt.
So we're browning this sausage down, getting all that good flavor down, so it got a good sear on it. Once all our sausage and andouille and tasso got that sear on it, we're gonna go ahead and pull everything out and start cooking down our onions in the same little gravy that's the sausage makes.
That's what makes it good.
That's right.
All right, come on, get in here. I want to show everybody this sear on this meat right here. We got a good sear, as you can see. We got that browned up pretty good. And at the bottom, we got a little stick. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump those onions in there and grab that all them little greens off the bottom of that and unstick all that and make us a little gravy. So I'm gonna have Matt take all this out. All right. And now, come in tight right here. See all this that's sticking on the bottom right here? What we're gonna do is we're gonna dump these onions in here and they're gonna sweat out. And when they sweat out, they're gonna take all that stuff from the bottom of that pot and make us some awesome onions.
Kobe, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and put them turkey necks in there now. Let
That's
them
good.
start tendering down.
Yeah, turkey necks take a while to cook. I don't know if you ever cook with that or not, but they're gonna take about at least 3 hours to cook down to get them tender. But once you get them right where they need to be, we're falling off the bone. All right. So listen, I wanna come back and bring you back to this. So now you got the flavor from the onions and bell peppers and the sausage. You got the smoke from the turkey neck and the smoke from the Nutria. That's gonna all come into one pot. So by browning all of this, when you get this flavor, all of that goes in there, grease included, goes into this pot. All the sausage and the sausage grease goes into that pot. You need all those flavors to come together and let it cook together to make you one fantastic gumbo, right? You don't have to. You don't have to brown it. You don't have to do all those things. You can just dump it in there. You're going to get a good gumbo. But if you want a phenomenal gumbo, right, Matt? If you want a phenomenal gumbo,
That's how we roll.
this is what you got to do, right, to get things where you need to be. All right? So stay tuned. We still cooking, baby. Scratch this pot out. Get all them green meats off the bottom. All right, we all cooked down. Our onions are cooked down. We got our turkey neck smoking up in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that sausage and we're going to put everything in there with the exception of the Nutria, right? We're going to wait to the end.
Yep.
For the Nutria, if you cook that too long, it wants to fall apart and break apart. It's a very tender meat. So we're gonna wait till about an hour. An hour left, would you
Right.
say?
Yep,
Yeah.
be perfect.
Right. And as you can see, the sun went down over here, so we have to put our coat on. That's why we're cooking gumbo today. When it gets cold in South Louisiana, we start the gumbo pots a rattling. Right? All right. Now that we have our gumbo cooking, the only thing we really have left to do is put in that Nutria. And as you can tell, it's getting time to shut it down. The rooster's crowing over here, letting us know, right? My time to go to bed. So, Matt, tell everybody a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name is Matt Dewey. I'm from Chack Bay. Moved here, got married, moved to Thibodeau. And I mean, all we do is get in a boat and, you know, do what everybody else like to do around here. I guess hunt, fish,
Hunt, fish, yeah.
you know, stuff like that. And
Yeah.
eat, you know.
I get together with all my Navy buddies. That's where I met Matt. And since we started the Captain Kobe seasoning and the barbecue rub that you saw, he seasoned everything with early. He was one of my testers that I sent some stuff out for to. He's a very good cook. I would not have him on my show if he wasn't, right?
That's right.
Well, today is his birthday. How old are you today, man?
49 years old.
49 and holding, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Well, I got a little something for you for your birthday. Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, Cole.
Got it. Show him what you got, baby. There you go, babe. Captain Kobe Cajun
there
cooking
we
shirt,
go.
huh? You in high cotton right there.
Oh, yeah. Captain Kobe hat,
Got him a hat.
barbecue rub.
Some more rub. That's right. I got to hook you up. I got to keep you fed, babe. I got to keep you right.
All right.
And some seasoning.
All right. Thank you, Kobe.
You got it, bro. Happy
Appreciate
birthday,
it.
man. And thank you for having. Listen, Matt, we out here making a video on Matt's birthday at Matt's house. Hey, listen, you can't ask for a better friend than that, right?
That's right.
I
That's right.
appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Thank you, Kobe.
All right, bro.
I don't know. But, man, I sat here the other night. Me and Monica cooked some hot dogs.
Got Heavy
and
D
had
cutting
more
up some
cheap
fish. What you
chili,
cutting up right there,
butter and
Heavy?
stuff.
Let me know what we
sat
got,
here
man.
and she was like, well, I'm going in. I said, I'll
Hey,
be right
we
here.
do it big for Short
I
Dog
ain't in a
birthday,
couple
right?
hours. Come check on. I might have fell asleep. But I
All right, everybody. Time to put the main course inside here, right? Time to put the Nutria in there. The turkey necks are starting to get pretty tender. And we're just gonna stick this in there best we can. Guests are starting to arrive. Everybody's starting to get hungry. Look like we're gonna be right on time, man. All right. Now, Matt, let them know how long you want to cook this Nutria for.
look, we're gonna cook this about another hour till it starts kind of breaking up, letting that juice get in there real good. And about another hour, we'll be good to go.
Yeah, you don't want to go to that. That Nutria is pretty tender meat. Once you cook it out, when you cook it in the gravy, you can't let kind of like chicken. If you let it boil too long, it'll
gonna
come off the
break up,
bones and it'll
yeah.
get real brittle. So in order to keep it like that, even though it's smoked, it's a tender meat still. We're gonna let it go about an hour. All those flavors come together. I can't wait, bro.
It's gonna be on.
Ain't I?
Y'all frying.
We got some fried broccoli, you heard?
Shot of that on the table there. And the gumbo ain't even ready yet.
You're an appetizer.
Man, you just read that when the video come on. What's up?
you gotta have a turkey neck. I like turkey neck in mine.
Ballons en la paillette, tu fais un gros mignon. Ballons avec madame, c'est madame canal comment. Et tu fais un gros mignon. Ça qui t'est un peu canal, et ça qui t'est un peu canal. Ballons en la paillette.
Well, everybody, we kind of got in the house right here, got away from all that partying that's going on outside, so I can let y'all know how truly phenomenal this gumbo is. It's got a fantastic smoke flavor. The turkey necks, man, that I like that in there anyway. Really brings that out. And the Nutria, listen, the Nutria is good. Don't be scared to eat that meat. I promise you it's good. It's tender. It tastes a lot like rabbit. So if you out there and you ever in around Thibodaux, Louisiana, and you hungry for some Nutria, and you see Short Dog out there clipping one with out in the ditch out there somewhere, give him a holler. We'll come out here. We'll make a gumbo with you. Or if you know where to get you some Nutria, hey, now you know how to make a smoked Nutria gumbo. I enjoyed it. We got some alligator. Got some fried fish. We got some French fries. We're having a good time. Matt, thank you for having me over here on your birthday.
No problem. Thank y'all for coming.
Enjoyed it. Chris.
It's delicious.
Chris is my main man that takes me fishing all the time. So,
Delicious.
yeah, absolutely. Listen, like we say always, try this. It's absolutely phenomenal. Cook it. And as always, keep cooking. And we'll see you in the kitchen.